do a
Life cycle
ladybug.
of a ladybug.
This is your life cycle pad for
Ladybugs are some
that.
of the most loved beetles around.
Leave.
They are distinguishable by their little red, orange, or yellow bodies.
Red?
Most
They got a
people
red body?
Identify them
Red
by
body?
their spots. Ladybugs are insects and have the distinctive features. They have a head,
They got a head. Where's the head?
Right
a
here.
thorax,
A thorax. What's a thorax?
6 legs,
No, look at the thorax.
an abdomen,
This is a thorax. So look, let's go back and see.
and wings. Leg sex and have distinctive features.
Let's watch
They
it.
have a head,
You see the head?
a thorax,
A thorax.
6
That's
legs,
They got 6 legs.
an abdomen,
Oh yeah. They got a stomach.
and wings.
And they got wings, but you can't see
hidden
them.
until they are ready to fly.
They're hidden until they want to fly.
Large shell that they are known
This is
for
not right.
protects the body when they are not in
Yeah.
flight.
Let's watch it.
Ladybugs are sometimes called lady beetles or ladybird beetles. They are invertebrates because they do not have a backbone. There are over 5,000 species of ladybugs worldwide.
Oh, it's a lot of weight.
Here is a map showing the distribution of
That him now leg.
it lets the predators know that they taste bad.
Let's see.
350 to
A larva.
Okay. Yeah, hold on. Let's go. Yeah.
complete metamorphosis as they move through their stages of life.
Let's see.
Ladybugs go
I
through
want
a
that with the
complete
larva.
metamorphosis
Look.
as they
What's the
move
first
through their
one?
stages of life.
Where's your egg?
The life of a ladybug starts
Oh, yeah.
in an egg.
And can you put the egg right there?
Female ladybugs often lay
Good job.
3 to 5 eggs in clusters on a leaf or near prey, so the food would be readily available
Hold on.
when
Let's wait.
they hatch.
We gotta wait for him to hatch. Oh. Yeah.
In 3 to 10 days, the ladybug larva will emerge from their eggs.
Yep.
They are usually
Well, it goes
very
here.
hungry
This is the
and
next
can
one.
eat 350 to 400
That's a
eggs in
larva.
a span
A
of
larva.
2 weeks.
Good job.
The larvae that emerge from the eggs do not look like the adults. They have elongated bodies, a bumpy exoskeleton, and brightly colored bands or spots on their backs. They will grow and molt up to 4 times before they are
This
ready
shell.
for the next stage.
That's for
of
math.
life.
Remember, we're doing science. What's next?
In this
The
stage of
pupa.
life, the ladybug pupae attaches itself to a leaf and remains very still for 7 to 10 days. During this time, the pupae undergoes a big change. All the cells in its body are moved around to form the adult ladybug. Nature is fascinating.
It's nature.
After the pupa stage, adult or
The
mature
ladybug
ladybugs
is
It's
there.
right
emerge.
here. Now we gotta
Newly
look
emerged ladybugs are pale and have soft exoskeletons, which makes them prime target
Good
for
job.
predators.
So we learned about the ladybug. See, so it starts as what? And then it goes into,
A larva.
and then it goes into,
A pupa.
and then it goes into.
A ladybug.
That's all right. Go, you are getting smart. All right. Next. What's next?
The raccoon.
We don't have a raccoon. What's next? Froggies? Alright. Let's see what the froggies are.
The booby. Oh, I didn't paint the stick.
Yeah, we'll do. Oh, we can take the stick later too.
Oh, we are sorry, Mr. Frog. My cat wasn't aware that those are your eggs.
Yeah, sorry.
Come on,
Those are your eggs.
Those
Mr.
are your
Frog is
eggs.
gone. Hey friends, I'm sure
Just
just
like the
you, you
eggs.
must be curious to know more about frogs' eggs and their life. So let's hop on
I
into the
think
tiny
it's
world
yellow.
of these amphibians and
I
learn
know
about the
why.
life cycle of a frog.
Life cycle of a
Zoom in.
frog.
It all starts with a female frog laying hundreds of eggs,
Where's the
generally
eggs?
in a pond that vary in size, colors,
Put it right
and
here.
shapes with different species. These eggs
And you
float
say
on the
Papa.
surface of the water, coated with a jelly-like substance that acts as a protective layer.
Put it over here.
But despite that, most of the eggs get destroyed due to various natural calamities.
Some of the
like
eggs
rain
get
and
destroyed.
wind,
Oh, because the rain hits it.
only a few get
Oh,
fertilized.
so it's only a little of
This
them now.
mass of fertilized egg in the jelly
And
is
and
known
and
as
and some
spawn.
are big.
After a few days, a baby
Baby.
frog known as tadpole
The
hatches out of
tadpole.
the egg
A tadpole.
that looks
Tadpole.
more like a
Tadpole.
fish than a frog
Yeah.
and feeds on the yolk of the egg from which it
Mhm.
came out. Well,
Grab the
that's
tadpole.
one hungry
Yep.
fella.
Mm-hmm.
As time
Right here.
passes
Yep.
by, tadpoles develop external gills that help them breathe under the water. Their tails begin to elongate and fins also develop. They spend their time eating plants and algae as they continue to grow for several
Algae
weeks.
is the like the green stuff that's on the
Few
fish tank.
weeks, the external gills begin to disappear and hind limbs start to appear.
They got two.
Then, after a
Tadpole
few
with 2
weeks,
legs.
the tadpole begins to look somewhat like a frog
Okay,
as
so
it
put it
turns
over.
into a froglet.
Alright,
And
next,
during the
2
stage,
legs.
they develop
legs.
lungs and lungs for breathing
Oh,
outside
now I
water.
got 4
And
legs.
on the final stage,
Tadpole with
their
4
tail
legs.
becomes smaller
Wow.
and smaller
Let's put one
and
right.
eventually disappears.
There you go. And then
Then
the
it
last
hops
one
right out
is
of
the
the water
frog.
and onto dry land for the first time when it enters the adult stage in the next
There we
couple
go.
of
So it
years
goes
to
from
lay their
okay.
eggs and more tadpoles hatch
they
as
do
the
it again.
cycle continues.
So it starts with what?
Egg.
And then it goes into a
Pupa.
no, a tadpole.
A tadpole.
And then it goes into a tadpole with 2 legs.
Tadpole with 2
Then it goes into a tadpole with 4 legs.
legs.
And then it turns into what?
Frog.
Alright, so it's what's this? Eggs.
Egg.
And then it turns into
What I'm supposed to say
okay, what's that?
egg.
Then it turns into
A tadpole.
and then it turns into
A tadpole
with what?
with 2 legs.
And then it turns into
A tadpole
with what?
with 4 legs.
Yeah, and then it turns into
A frog.
good job. You are so good at this. These are called life cycles.
Life cycle.
Yep.
You are so good.
You know, your life cycle is you start from essentially
Your life
outer
cycle.
space,
Outer space. You
And then
are
you
from
go to-
outer space
and then you
to
go to your
end.
mommy tummy,
Yeah.
and you turn into a baby, and
Yeah.
then you turn into a toddler, and then
And then I
Yeah,
turn into a
yeah.
big girl.
yeah, that's your life cycle. Then you get older, like grandma and grandpa. So what's the next one? What's the next one you want to learn? Ooh, a bumblebee?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what the bumblebee
They take on my tongue. They make honey.
Circle of a bee. In a beehive, there are 3 different types:
You know Uncle Dave has a beehive?
Oh yeah.
worker bee and drone bee. The egg. The first stage in the life of a bee
Uh-oh.
is when the queen bee lays a single egg in a cell of the
Yeah.
honeycomb.
Yeah, here's the
A
egg.
cell is a small hole in the honeycomb.
Yeah.
The
honeycomb
Let's
is
put
made
it
by
right
the
there.
worker bees. The egg is long, thin, and white.
Yeah.
The larva,
I like it.
after
The
around 3
larva?
days, the egg hatches into a larva. The
Ooh.
I
larva
thought this was a
is
pupa.
white
No, not yet.
The larva is fed royal jelly, which is made by the worker bees. This is like a white liquid. The larvae,
And these are
then
pupas.
the larvae
the
are fed
larvae.
bee bread. This is a mixture of honey and pollen.
I've never seen larvae before.
The cell is sealed by the worker bees with a lid of wax.
A lot of
This is
bumblebees.
called the pupa
Oh,
stage.
the what? The
The
pupa.
pupa.
Oh,
The
pupa,
pupa
pupa.
grows but is no longer fed. The pupa spins a cocoon and
It's like a little
begins to
cocoon.
change. Its legs,
It's starting
eyes,
into
and
this.
wings
So
grow
then, yeah,
in the
it starts here,
cocoon.
though. And then it goes
After
here.
around 21
And then it
days
goes here.
from being a new
And
egg,
then,
the
They're
pupa
bumblebees.
is an adult bee. The adult bee,
ooh,
the fully grown bee, bites the lid off the cell and climbs out. It is a light grey colour. It stays in the hive for 21 days.
wow.
At 22 days old,
Okay, so it starts as what?
The egg.
And then it turns into
A larva.
and then it goes into and then it turns into
A bumblebee.
alright.
Next.
Next.
Let's see what butterflies do.
Hello.
Butterflies. They are some of the most magical insects you can see in the environment.
That was pretty. Remember when the butterfly was following us on the bike?
Beautiful artworks,
They're gonna
and they
turn.
come in all the colours of the rainbow.
Ooh.
Oh, that's the same they just
Butterflies you
looked
see
Mhm.
actually used to be caterpillars.
Ooh.
Now you might be wondering, how did they change
Is
from
this
a tiny
is that big or tiny?
Well, it's just showing us some videos first. It's gonna start from the very beginning.
You're about to find out.
We're about to find out.
I want to see some.
The life cycle of butterflies has 4 stages.
Let's see.
I want to see
The
some real.
egg, the larva, the pupa, and the butterfly. Yeah, we're gonna talk
It all
about it.
begins when a female butterfly lays her eggs.
Oh, it starts when a female butterfly lays eggs. So where are your eggs at?
Inside these eggs, caterpillars begin to grow.
You put it right there.
Once an egg is ready, it hatches and out comes a larva, also known as a caterpillar.
Oh, look at them.
A caterpillar
See
leaves
what?
its
What
egg
they're
behind,
looking
finds a leaf,
doing.
and
Yeah,
starts
it's looking for food. It's looking for the leaves so it can eat the leaves.
eating.
Oh,
Yeah, they eat the leaves.
big
Yeah, and they
Seen a
keep
caterpillar
eating.
in the garden munching.
Because they gotta get big. They gotta grow, so they
As a
eat the
caterpillar
leaves.
grows, its skin becomes too tight for its growing body. The caterpillar sheds this old skin because underneath
Shed, shed, shed,
bigger
shed.
skin, which is much more comfortable.
Butterfly.
This process of shedding skin is called molting.
We only got 3 more days.
Now it's time
Now
for
we
the
got-
caterpillar to begin changing into a pupa.
Let's put this here. And then your next one.
The pupa stage is
Well,
pretty
no, that's right
uneventful.
here. Yep. So what's
Because all
that?
they really do is
A
stand
butterfly.
upside down in
What
the
do they
cocoon.
do?
Giving
A
me
cocoon
Yeah,
is
in the
also
cocoon.
called a chrysalis.
cool.
Oh, a chrysalis. Can you put that there?
The pupa needs to stay really still, so predators don't spot it wriggling around and eat it for dinner. This is the stage where the caterpillar begins to grow its wings.
It's 1 more
The
day.
last stage is when the adult butterfly breaks free. It slowly comes out of its cocoon and spreads its beautiful wings
A
to take
butterfly.
flight. Once it's ready, it will fly off
And then it's gonna lay more eggs. So it'll go egg, caterpillar, cocoon.
But I was
Alright,
about to
okay,
say it.
alright, so what's this one?
Caterpillar.
Well, yeah, it's eggs in the caterpillar. And what's this?
Caterpillar.
And what's this?
Raccoon.
Cocoon.
Cocoon.
And this is?
A butterfly.
Okay.
Baba, what are those on your hands?
Oh, it's called calluses.
I don't have calipers.
Calluses? Yeah, you get it from doing a lot of,
Kelly stuff.
yeah.
I don't have
What's the
some.
next one?
Chicken. It's like all day chicken.
Yeah, this is the base chicken.
Chicken.
The life cycle of a chicken. A chicken starts its life as a tiny egg.
Is it what? Yeah.
In a nest. The mother
Egg.
hen keeps the eggs
I mean
sitting
egg.
on them.
Yeah.
This helps the eggs to develop properly.
Alright, let's put the egg out from here.
About 21 days, the eggs
How
start
did
to
that
crack.
do?
When the egg cracks.
This is called hatching.
It's called hatching.
Once hatched, the chicks stay close to their mother. She protects them and keeps them warm.
Yeah, she protects
As
them.
the chicks grow,
Then they turn into what? No, we gotta put them in the life cycle. So egg
these feathers
to,
help them stay warm and
what's after
dry.
that? And then after that,
Chickens
turns
love
to
to
chick.
eat. They pack
Yep.
up
And then
grains,
after that, it
seeds,
turns
and
into
nuts to fill their tummies.
yeah.
They also drink lots of water to stay hydrated. As the chicks grow, they become bigger and stronger. They're not babies anymore. They're pullets. Roosters are male chickens.
Mm,
They have colourful feathers and can be quite noisy.
Remember the bunnies was eating my
When
friends.
comes in our pen,
It's saying yummy, yummy, yummy.
There you have it. The fascinating life
Look.
cycle of a chicken.
Chicken.
Thanks for joining us to learn all of
Hi friends, today we are going to learn about
I was back
the
then.
life cycle of a living plant. Let's get started. What do plants need for them to grow well?
What do plants
They
need to
need
grow?
sunlight, water, and all the
Light,
necessary
water,
nutrients.
and nutrients.
I was about to say that.
Let's focus.
The
Almost
first
there.
stage of the living plant cycle is the seed stage.
The seed stage. Where's this one? The seed stage. Yep. Put that there, please. And then,
Right here.
and then take this and put it over
Second
there.
stage is the germination.
Second
this
stage is
stage, the seeds
germination.
sprout.
Which one?
Now we have a baby bean plant. It has leaves and stems. The roots keep growing down, looking for water and nutrients.
That's right.
The third stage is
The third
maturation.
stage is, what's the third
After
one?
6 to 8 weeks of germination, the bean plant reaches full maturity.
And then
The
what?
final stage is fertilization.
Yeah.
When pollen lands on the female part of the
That's how
flower,
it's
fertilization occurs. The
see
successful
the roots in
fertilization
there?
ensures the next generation of bean plants.
Pretty cool.
I don't see this.
Thank you
Yeah,
for
because that's a
watching
seed.
our
It starts off as a seed, and it has to grow a little bit.
And then I see the roots back here.
Yeah. Now, let's do a turtle.
Ragtag, ragtag.
Life cycle of a turtle.
What's life cycle of a turtle?
I discovered that we have turtles living out corn here in Prairie Mountain. Did you know that they have an incredible life cycle. Let's learn about it together. The life cycle of a turtle begins when a mother turtle lays her eggs near the
Okay,
water.
so the first
She digs an
of the
egg
turtle is
in
what?
the sand or soil and
Yeah, so
lays
let's put the egg in there.
10 to 200 eggs,
And then
depending on the species. The eggs are round or oval and have a soft leathery shell.
Alright, let's put the egg in.
After laying her eggs,
Yeah.
the mother turtle carefully covers
What
the
comes
nest
after the egg?
with soil or
The
sand
mother
and
turtle.
leaves it
What happens
to
after the egg?
incubate.
Hatch.
Yeah, after hatch and put
It
it here.
takes about 45 to 90 days for these eggs to hatch, depending on the
What,
species.
alright,
and
what happens
age.
after it hatches?
The baby
Is it a
turtle
baby turtle or a big
develop
turtle?
inside their eggs
Baby
until
turtle.
they're ready to hatch.
That's a big one. They
And
coming
then
up.
their
You
amazing
need the
journey
baby turtle.
as tiny hatchlings.
Yep. And then after the baby turtle, is
Baby
A
turtles.
mother turtle.
They use their
Mhm.
tiny temporary
Is,
egg tube to break through the eggshell and crawl up to the surface. It's time for their big adventure.
Are we are done now?
Go now.
you want to do a snake?
Hatchlings must make their way to the water as quickly as possible, avoiding all kinds of
We are the coolest.
The life cycle of a snake.
Oh, I just said
Stage
something.
one.
Is egg.
Most
I just
start
thought something.
Okay.
most
Well,
snakes lay
I want to see it.
huh?
I want to see it. I just saw.
See what?
I saw.
What?
No.
Stage one. Most snakes start their life as an egg. Most snakes lay their eggs
I want to watch Wild Kratts.
Okay, but we're learning right now. We'll watch Wild Kratts after. Okay?
These eggs are soft and leathery, not hard like
Ain't no
chicken
good.
eggs. Inside
Okay.
each egg, a
You're not
tiny
listening.
baby
I
snake
don't know
begins to grow. Not
I don't know
all
what
snakes
Mama.
grow.
Okay, let me see that,
Some,
please.
like boas and garden
Thank you.
snakes, give birth to live babies instead.
You know who goes first?
Stage 2. Hatchlings.
Hatch.
After
Well,
2
eggs
weeks,
first.
the baby snake is ready
Put the
to
egg down.
hatch. It
And then
uses a
after the
special egg
eggs,
tooth on its nose to
what
break
happens?
open the shell.
What happens after the
Once
egg?
it's hatched, it's completely
where's
on
the
its
hatch?
own. There's no
Mhm.
more
And
dad
put it-
snake to take
yeah.
care of it.
And
But
then
don't worry, the
Which
hatchling
one's the
knows
baby
how to
snake?
hunt for food all on its own.
look at them. Which one's the little
Snake
one?
hatchlings usually look
Yep.
like mini versions of their parents. They may be tiny, but they already have
Which one's
all
the
the
big one?
skills they need to survive.
Alright.
Stage 3, juvenile. As the baby snake grows, it goes through a process called molting, or shedding its skin. The snake grows too big for its skin, so it sheds
is
it
scary.
and gets a fresh new layer. Snakes shed their skin
Last
many
one.
times as they grow
Last
bigger.
one is a crocodile or alligator.
Alligator. I say alligator.
You say alligator?
Alligator, 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 alligator. Alligator, alligator, alligator. Is this an alligator egg? The pink one.
Yeah, look. Look.
Crocodile life cycle.
Look at it on there. Can you put that in here?
Adult crocodile. Eggs.
Let's start with the egg.
Hatchling. Crocklet.
Well, which one is the egg? Yeah. Mhm. And then what's after the egg? It hatches. Alright. And what's after the
Crocodile
egg?
life cycle.
You got the baby one. Egg. Look. Hatching. You got got the baby, and then you got the adult. So which one's the baby?